So guys, the Chinese smartphone companies like Redmi and Realme have dominated the budget market. Samsung launched its M series to compete with Redmi and Realme and it was a success. Now Samsung wants to continue and they are going to launch a new series. It will be the Samsung Galaxy F series. As per a report by 91 Mobiles, the Galaxy F series smartphones will be priced between Rs 15,000 to 20,000. The first smartphone in the Galaxy F lineup is expected to be launched by September end and it will be available via online retail channels only. Samsung, however, could make the phone available via offline channels as it did in the case of its Galaxy M series of smartphones. The main selling point of the Samsung Galaxy F series will be its camera. The camera-centric series will attract a lot of people. As you know, in the budget market, we already have good performance devices. However, there is a lack of good camera devices. Most of the budget phones come with a quad camera setup, and to be frank, only the main sensor is capable, while the companies just include the other sensors for a marketing gimmick. Even though we have 64 megapixel cameras on the budget phones, we have really evolved as much as we have done in other departments. Companies really compromise on the ultra-wide depth and include macro lens for no reason at all. So there is still space for Samsung to introduce a new series aiming at cameras. Samsung is working on a new phone that carries the model number SMF415F and could make its debut soon as the Galaxy F41. As per a tipster, this seems to be the first phone under Samsung's upcoming Galaxy F series. Now a smartphone with model number SMF415F appeared on the Geekbench listing, revealing some key specifications of the alleged Galaxy F41. The listing reveals that the smartphone will be powered by a Exynos 9611 chipset paired with 6GB of RAM. The smartphone runs on Android 10 operating system. Another tipster indicated that the firmware development of Galaxy F41 had already started. The support page on Samsung India's website for SMF415F has already gone live, although it was earlier rumored to be the Galaxy Z Fold Lite. More such videos will be coming on our channel, so do subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.